SVR.
Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Armstrong County in West Central Pennsylvania, North Central Indiana County in West Central Pennsylvania, Southwestern Jefferson, Pennsylvania County in West Central Pennsylvania until 8:45 p.m. 7:52 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located near Indiana, moving north at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: public reported. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Punxsutawney, Rural Valley, Dayton, Chevy Chase Heights, Rossiter, Ernest, Marion Center, Creekside, Plumville, Timberland, Atwood, Smithsburg, Mahoney Creek Lake, Rochester Mills, and Distance. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds and has produced large hail.